Hey, what's going on, guys? Back out here with another video. Not too much going on in this one, so I'm just going to drop in some clips from what we did yesterday. We just got my car lined. Shout out to Alan at AMA Motorsports. Massive love to that guy. Always keeps the cars straight and ready to rip on track. So yeah, we took both our cars out to my work. We have a nice little test lot out there. Got some little bit of tandems in, so I'm going to drop those videos in right here. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed those clips of us driving. I didn't have that much tire, so I didn't go for all that long, but I got the testing I needed to out of it. My brother had some brand new Kendas on the car, so he friggin', you gotta like beg that man to quit driving. I love it, but yeah, it was a good time. Shout out to the military police that sat there and kind of watched us, and they were loving the show. Christian went up and asked if he could give the guy a ride, and he was just like, man, I wish I could, buddy, but we're just here enjoying the show, so shout out to those guys. That was awesome. As you can see, my car is currently not here. I left it at my work. We have a little bit of a fab project. I have a new Sparco harness for me, and it comes with 2 submarine belts. Now if you don't know what those are the belts that mount like between your legs. Normally there's just one, but in a lot of harnesses now there's 2. I don't have a good way to mount 2 of those underneath my seat, so what our plan is to put some plating in there. There'll be a plate underneath the seat on the floor and a plate on the bottom of the car, and it'll basically sandwich it, have a little more structure to pull on. So it'll be a little more safer in case there's ever any kind of impact and that belt will get pulled. In addition to the harnesses, I have a Sparco tow strap that I want to mount up in the front end instead of my tow hook. At DOD, I kind of had a little incident. Well, not an incident. My buddy Garrett freaking broke down on the track. So I tried to just go up and give him a little push off the track. Which, sorry to some of the point, I guess they're not a big fan of that. But I was kind of worried I'd do some damage with my factory tow hook. It sticks out a good bit. And I kind of wanted to have this one to have a little bit more of a flex if I do need pulled by it. So I'm not really too sure what we're going to do to mount this up because the BMW crash bar is a little bit weird. But yeah, we're going to figure it out. So other than that, we're just going to get ready to go shred. March 19th, Summit Point for Drift Nirvana. Hot laps are going to be especially hot. Should be a really good day. I have all my tires mounted up. Christian needs to get his done soon. Sometime this week. We got about a week and 2 days until that happens anyways. But I hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.